Hello and thanks for joining us on this video. Over the last 48 hours, it's been amazing the response and the reaction to our Be Exceptional Challenge. But we've had so many questions. What is the Be Exceptional Challenge? Why the Be Exceptional Challenge? And so what I wanted to do, and also how does it affect me as a BHIB Global distributor to participate in the Be Exceptional Challenge? So I wanted to just take a few minutes and explain to you why the Be Exceptional Challenge and why it benefits you, how it benefits you, and how a BHIB Global distributor can maximize this challenge. As I said, it's been overwhelming, the response, the orders coming through the door, but with questions, we just felt it would be best to get on here online informally and take a few minutes to share with you. So first I want to explain why the Be Exceptional Challenge. I'll try to keep it brief. About almost a year ago, an ingredient came by my doorstep, which you have to understand in the position I'm in, I have products, ingredients, this thing, that thing, comes by my desk every single day. And normally I just pass it on, pass it on, pass it on. And this ingredient came on and I seen DNA repair, which first of all I say, wow, what is that? And I never heard about it before and it became very exciting. So like probably you will do or have done, I just took the product and I started passing it out to my family, my father-in-law, my mother-in-law, my wife, my wife's aunt, and my aunt and uncle, and etc. And just started, having people try the product. I didn't even try it myself, to be honest with you. And I don't do this very often, but I did. And what happened was within a week, they started saying, "What is this stuff?" And the back pain of my father-in-law and the different things, and they started getting amazing results, which made me say, maybe I need to learn more. And so I started learning more and looking at it and asking the people who founded this ingredient and founded and developed this product, what's it about? What is DNA repair? Can you explain to me? Is there science? Is there a reason? So what ended up happening is through this research, I've seen that there's published medical journals, there's double-blind clinical studies, there's 7 patents that state DNA repair in the patent, and I start realizing that we have something major. And then in talking to them, I find out that a top pharmaceutical company in Japan had bought the entire license for this ingredient in the country of Japan. And so I started realizing this product is the future, potentially. So we cut a deal with them so that we brought this product on as an exclusive product in the BHIB family, and we became very excited about it. So about 9 months ago, we started launching a line of products with the AC11 ingredient in it. And from the Activar Day to Night to the Activar Eye, the purple strips, the IO, and we did all this through an acquisition. So we started getting these products out there and we started seeing amazing results, but there was one massive challenge. We became emotionally involved into this ingredient. This is a product that not everybody needs. Everybody must take it. From me to you, must. But what we found is that because it is such a powerful product that it's too expensive for the masses to participate. For an example, if you just take the Day Cream, the Activar Day, the Activar Night, and the Purple Plus, those 3 products we're selling for $250. And so can the average person or can the masses out there that has to be on this product, can they afford $250 a month? And we sat back and they can't. But we as a company, we want everyone to be taking this product. And so we started looking and designing and conceptually thinking about how do we make this affordable for everyone? Even if our margins aren't there, even if we break even, how can we get everyone in the world to start using this product? Because we know what it does for people. We know if people use it, they're going to feel the results, see the results. We say it's beauty from the inside out and outside in. You can put an amazing skincare product on your face or on your arms or a lotion, and you don't see the problems. But those problems were caused by something bigger, and that's usually from the inside out. And so we came up with the Be Exceptional Challenge, which I believe is going to revolutionize the business. But more importantly, what it's going to do for us, because I don't care about the rest of the world, what I care about is the people. The business side of it's secondary, and that's what makes BHIB different. We're about helping impact people with high-impact products. And we have that now. With the Be Exceptional Challenge, we designed it so every person could try the product risk-free. Every person could afford this product on an ongoing basis. That a customer could go out and earn this product for free. So if you said, I want this product, I need the product, you try the product, you want to keep using the product, but you can't afford it, that we give you a simple method to go out and start getting the product every month at zero cost. These are the goals we had. This is what we dreamed about, and we designed it. It's here. It's the 30-day Be Exceptional Challenge. And with the Be Exceptional Challenge, it's very simple. We challenge you to try our DNA repair product in the Be Exceptional Kit. It's a day cream, Activ-R Day, Activ-R Night, and the Purple Plus. We challenge you to try this product and not get results. And you know, a lot of people are saying, share the dare. We dare you to try the product. And we said, if we can take the product at $250, we're going to give people an 80% discount. That's right, 80%. So you can try this product delivered to your doorstep for $50. The day, the night, and the Purple Plus, from $250 to $50. Now everyone in the world can try it. Plus, something even better. We believe in this product ingredient so much that we have a 100% money-back guarantee for 60 days. So when we were looking at this, I said, I think everyone can do that. I think now everyone can try it. It's a must-take product. Now we're giving the world the opportunity to take that product. Then we started designing it even further. So you become part of the Be Exceptional Challenge. And the challenge is you try the product and not get results. So as you start using the product, when you join for the $50 delivered to your house, now you're going to also be on a monthly subscription of the product for $100 a month. And so, yes, it's a little bit pricey, but it's way cheaper. It's 60% discount off the $250. And when you see the results you're getting, I don't believe that you're even going to look at the money side of it, because you're going to realize, I need it. I must have it. And so, but we wanted to even make it better. So what happens is, as a customer, you go out and you take the product for 2-3 weeks. You're going to work, you're going to the grocery store, you're at a family function, and people start saying, what are you doing different? Why is your skin so soft? You look different, you look vibrant. What are you doing different? And you explain to them about this challenge you joined, and they're going to say, how do I try it? Well, a customer, not a distributor, but a customer can refer this person to their site. And that person can take the challenge and they buy the product for $50 and get on a monthly subscription at $100 a month. Now what happens is that by 3 people being referred to your site as a customer, yours becomes free, absolutely zero. So we want 100% of the people around the world to be able to afford this product. And I think that any product that's free, people can afford. And so this challenge is amazing. We're very excited about it, but we had a lot of questions. Then a lot of our distributors started asking, how do I maximize the challenge? I'm excited. I mean, we've had people that have 8 customers, 18 customers, 22 customers in the last 48 hours. So it's amazing the results, but they're asking the question, how do I maximize the challenge? So I'd like to take a few minutes to explain how to maximize the challenge now. Very simple. As a distributor, you can't participate in the challenge. This is about customers. This is about helping impact people. All the people around the world that's not currently a BHIP distributor, all the people around the world that don't want to be a BHIP distributor, we know they still must use the product. So you as a BHIP Global distributor, to take advantage of this challenge, you need to sign up as your own customer. So when you're as a BHIP Global distributor, you have a www.mydnarepair.com website. So for an example, if your current website is www.bhipglobal.com/Terry, for an example, you now also have www.mydnarepair.com/Terry. This is your customer site. This is where you send your customers to get an amazing experience, to learn about the products, the science, the challenge, and all the things. So you would go there and sign up as your own customer. And so then you could take advantage of the challenge. You could get the amazing products. You take advantage of the 80% discount on the first order, 60% discount on all the reorders that you have. You can add any of our DNA line of products to that order at 60% off, whether it be the IO, the purple strips, the Activ-R eye cream, and now you're your own customer. What you have is a customer experience. Now then, as you're referring people to the B customers, let's say you're out at the store and someone asks you, wow, Terry, you look much different, and what are you doing? And I said, well, I'm on this Be Exceptional Challenge. They're going to say, well, how do I do it? I would then, as a distributor, want to refer them to my customer website. So when you become a customer, you get a website, www.mydnarepair.com/your customer number. So it's not /Terry like we talked about before, it's /your customer number. And you would refer them there. Why? It's very simple, because if you refer 3 people to your customer number, now yours becomes free. So we want to help everyone get this product for free by simply giving people a product that's going to give them amazing results. That's how you maximize as a distributor. Also, there's unbelievable opportunity tied to it, because let's say that your sister or my sister decided to take the Be Exceptional Challenge. I'm a distributor, she becomes a customer. She takes the challenge and it's 80% off at $50. On that $50, I make $25. Okay, for the first 1,000 customers, we're doubling it to $50. So I get my sister this amazing product that I know is going to transform her life like it did me. And she spends $50, which is 80% off to get it. I'm going to get a check for $50 for doing that. And people say the company must be crazy. No, we're not. We are passionate and we have belief in what this product is going to do. We're willing to put our money behind the results of this product, so your customers know that we believe and that you can go out and you can afford and you can make money promoting this product, at the same time truly transforming people's lives, repairing their DNA. Think about that, repairing their DNA from the inside out and the outside in. So as you're referring these customers, every time a new customer comes on, or even one of your customers refers a customer, they pay $50, which is 80% off, boom, you get $25, or right now it's $50 every single time. And then every month that person stays on the monthly subscription, what happens? You earn $5 direct bonus, and there's 30 BV that goes into your account. Now with that BV, it's amazing because all your customers will be listed in your back office. We give you the ability to choose P for personal volume, L for left leg volume, or R for right leg volume. So you can place this volume anywhere in your business that you want, allowing you again to even more maximize how you earn commissions from this. So this is a customer acquisition program like the industry and world has never seen. This is a product that brings true results. We believe in this product as a company. I believe in this product as the owner of the company so much that we're going to put our money where our mouth is. We're going to send this product out the door at cost. We're going to pay 100% commission out on that product going out the door that we send at cost. So we're losing money on every order. We know if you try the product, we challenge you to try the product. 100% money back guarantee for 60 days. You try the product, use all the day cream, all the night cream, drink the Purple Plus, empty bottles, see no results, send it back to us within 60 days, and we're going to give you 100% of your money back. So we believe in it. The Be Exceptional Challenge is amazing. We're excited about it. The results we're seeing, the activity we're seeing is all there. We just knew that there was a lot of questions. So I want to take a few minutes and first say hi to everyone. Thanks for tuning in, and to give some examples of what's been going on in the program and explain to you why the Be Exceptional Challenge, why the product, and how you can benefit and maximize it. So again, thank you very much, and look forward to seeing you on the next video or in person soon.